Every semester, the Department of Mandarin Language at National Jinkong University organized a trip for its students. It is a great experience for the students, all are former international students who are either here for language exchange or studying in different fields, to explore more of Taiwan and its culture. On Saturday, April 30, 2011, the students went to the famous mountain of Alishan in Jai Concert. Here is Convex with the reports.
Yeah, this is Alishan. Raga raga yo. We're having a trip. This is a Chinese what is that? Chinese class field trip for all the students who study Chinese. So right now we are here in Alishan, one of the most common site that usually visited by a lot of foreigners and even the Taiwanese what is that? Yeah, the Taiwanese people. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, as you can see, this is just a few distance away from the first place, and this is what they call the first generation. It's some kind of memorandum. We don't know. It's some kind of a history. Yeah.
Sorry.
And this is.
Chinese,
this is what they call an elephant truck tree, and this is the elephant truck tree, and now it's dead. You can see down there, and there is another tree that grows beside the elephant tree, and there are a lot of Chinese students. Well, those students are foreign students. They study Chinese.
Yeah, raga raga yo.
Action!
Yeah, raga raga yo.
Right now we are along one of the road in Alishan, and pass by is a bus from Alishan. They used to transport some of the visitors who used to come here and visit those sites around here in Alishan. And from here, there are a few distance still up there, and there are a lot of things yet to be seen up there. So just follow me and you'll enjoy the day. This tree is like 200 years old, and it's a type of species. The tree it is known as red cypress. Yeah, and the height is like 13.1 meter with 43.5 the length of it, and about 2,000 years old.
Iya, convex.
So from now till then, I'm Buffalo Kalija, Raga Raga Yo TV.
Nhiều sân quanh quanh kia đi ha, hay yêu si pi ha ni qua, buồn ne bi bang long đi. 声。